Justice at last. Officers found guilty in Mario Dean murder trial.
Additional charges possible for man accused of raping 9 and 10-year-old sisters in St. Catherine.
And a debate continues about making the sex registry public. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious, and with a preview of what's to come in the business news. Did I forget to say hello to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands? Welcome. Now Lug is here with a preview of what's to come in business news.
Thanks, Janella. So the Bank of Jamaica says progress is being made to make it easier for customers to transfer their accounts between institutions. The details later on in the business day.
And Jermaine Brown has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. The big show.
Well, thanks, Archibald. Well, all is set for the Rare Nephew Jamaica Premier League Super Final between Cavalier and Mount Pleasant FA for tomorrow at the National Stadium. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
He's been all over the place with the weather this week.
Who, him?
Yeah.
And you know who we're talking about, right? Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. No, it's the winds that are really all over the place in this forecast. We do have winds getting up to 25 knots across sections of offshore areas, but the winds across the north and inshore areas are still likely to be between 10 and 15 knots.
So it's been dry, it's been wet, it's been windy. What will he say? Stick around for the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And Archie, this evening we are asking our viewers, what are your thoughts on the 3 policemen who were found guilty in the Mario Dean case?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And as always, you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.